Excuse me.
I am so sorry, ma'am.
You spilled the soup on me.
Yes, I did. I apologize.
My clothes are wet now.
I feel terrible about that.
What happened?
I slipped while carrying the soup.
Did you trip on something?
Yes, the floor was a little wet.
Oh, I see.
It was an accident.
The soup was very hot.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's a relief.
It surprised me.
I completely understand.
This is my favorite dress.
I'm very sorry.
Can it be cleaned?
I believe so.
What should we do now?
I'll get some napkins right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I still have soup on my sleeve.
Let me help clean it.
Okay,
Here are some clean napkins.
thanks.
I'll also bring you a glass of water.
That's kind of you.
We would also like to replace your meal.
Really?
Yes, free of charge.
I appreciate that.
Again, I sincerely apologize.
Accidents happen.
Thank you for understanding.
I hope you are okay too.
Thank you. I am fine.
That's good.
Your new soup will be ready soon.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, ma'am. Enjoy your meal.
Oh no.
What happened?
I burned the toast.
Really?
Yes, look at it.
It's very dark.
I forgot about it.
How did that happen?
I was checking my phone.
That explains it.
I lost track of time.
It happens sometimes.
Now breakfast is ruined.
Not completely.
What do you mean?
We can make more toast.
You're right.
Do we have enough bread?
Yes, we do.
That's good.
I feel silly.
Don't worry about it.
The kitchen smells smoky.
Let's open a window.
Good idea.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should I throw this toast away?
Yes, I think so.
It's too burnt to eat.
I agree.
I'll make another batch.
I'll help you.
That's nice of you.
No problem.
This time I'll watch it carefully.
That's a smart plan.
The new toast looks much better.
It looks perfect.
Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Sorry about the first toast.
It's okay.
Breakfast is saved.
Yes, and it smells great now.
Let's eat.
Sounds good. Enjoy.
Oh no!
What happened?
I forgot the cake in the oven.
Really?
Yes, I completely forgot about it.
How long was it in there?
Much longer than it should be.
That's not good.
I was talking on the phone.
I see.
Then I lost track of time.
That happens sometimes.
Look at the cake.
Oh, it's very dark.
It's burnt, isn't it?
Yes, I think so.
I worked hard on it.
I'm sorry.
I wanted it for dessert tonight.
That's disappointing.
Do you think it's still okay to eat?
Probably not.
The smell is terrible.
Let's open the windows.
Good idea.
I'll help.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel so frustrated.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
It was my mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Should I bake another cake?
We still have time.
You're right.
And now you'll remember the timer.
Definitely.
That's the spirit.
I'll start again.
I'll help gather the ingredients.
Thanks.
No problem.
This time I'll set an alarm.
Smart idea.
The next cake will be better.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks for encouraging me.
Anytime. Let's bake another one.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I think I lost my umbrella.
Oh no.
I had it this morning.
Where did you last see it?
I think at the bus stop.
Are you sure?
Yes, I used it there.
What color is it?
It is black.
Does it have a handle?
Yes, a curved handle.
Okay.
I am really worried.
Don't worry.
It was raining earlier.
I understand.
I need it for today.
Let's try to find it.
What should I do?
You should go back to the bus stop.
I already checked there.
Maybe someone found it.
I hope so.
Did you ask the driver?
Not yet.
You should ask the bus company.
That's a good idea.
They often collect lost items.
I will call them.
Good.
Hello? I lost my umbrella.
What did they say?
I think at the bus stop.
That's normal.
Wait, they found it.
That's great news.
They said I can pick it up.
Wonderful.
I feel so relieved.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I will go there now.
Good luck.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Can you help me?
Of course.
I want to learn to ride a bicycle.
That's great.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry.
I've never done it before.
It's okay. We will start slowly.
Where should I begin?
First, sit on the bike.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
It feels a little unstable.
That's normal.
What should I do next?
Put your feet on the pedals.
Okay.
Now try to balance.
I'm scared I might fall.
I will hold the bike.
Thank you.
Start pedaling slowly.
I'm moving.
Good job.
Oh, I lost balance.
It's okay. I've got you.
This is harder than I thought.
Practice makes perfect.
Can I try again?
Of course.
I feel more confident now.
That's the spirit.
I can ride a little longer now.
You're doing very well.
I didn't fall this time.
Excellent.
How do I turn?
Turn the handle slowly.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
I'm getting better.
You are improving fast.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I think I can practice alone now.
Great, but be careful.
I will keep practicing every day.
That's the best way to learn.
I feel proud today.
You should be. Great job.
Hello?
Hello.
I need a bottle of juice.
Sure.
What kinds do you have?
We have orange, apple, and mango juice.
I would like orange juice.
Okay.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it is fresh.
Great.
What size do you want?
A medium bottle, please.
No problem.
How much is it?
It is $2.
That's fine.
Anything else?
Do you have cold juice?
Yes, it is in the fridge.
I would like a cold one.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This store is very clean.
Thank you.
I like shopping here.
We're happy to hear that.
Can I pay by cash?
Yes, you can.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Do I need a bag?
Yes, I will give you one.
That's helpful.
Here is your juice.
Thank you. It looks good.
Enjoy.
How long has it been in the fridge?
Just a few hours.
Perfect.
Would you like a receipt?
No, it's okay.
All right.
I will drink it now.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to our pet store.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
I am looking for a pet.
Great. What kind of pet do you want?
I'm not sure yet.
We have cats, dogs, birds, and fish.
Oh, I like cats.
We have some lovely kittens here.
They look so cute.
Yes, they are very friendly.
Can I hold one?
Of course.
This one is very small.
Yes, it is only 2 months old.
What does it eat?
It eats special cat food.
Do you sell cat food here?
Yes, we do.
How much is the kitten?
It is $50.
That's reasonable.
Would you like to buy it?
I need some time to think.
No problem.
What supplies do I need?
You need a bed, food, and toys.
Can you show me?
Sure, follow me.
These toys are nice.
Cats love them.
I will take the food and toys for now.
Good choice.
I will come back for the kitten later.
That's fine.
How much is everything?
It's $20.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed visiting your store.
We're happy to hear that.
I will come again soon.
We look forward to seeing you.
Oh no!
What happened?
I broke a glass.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
That's good.
The glass slipped from my hand.
Did it fall on the floor?
Yes, it did.
I heard the noise.
I'm really sorry.
Don't worry.
It was an accident.
I know.
I was washing the dishes.
Those things happen.
Now there is broken glass everywhere.
Be careful.
I don't want anyone to get hurt.
That's a good point.
Can you help me clean it up?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll get the broom.
I'll bring the dustpan.
Good idea.
Watch your step.
I will.
There are small pieces near the table.
I see them.
Let's clean those first.
The kitchen was clean before this.
It will be clean again soon.
I feel bad about breaking it.
It's only a glass.
You're right.
The important thing is that you're safe.
Thank you for saying that.
No problem.
I think we got all the pieces.
Let me check once more.
Everything looks clean now.
Yes, it does.
I'll be more careful next time.
That's all you can do.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Glad you're okay.
Oh no!
What happened?
I spilled my juice.
Really?
Yes, it's all over the table.
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
It was an accident.
I didn't mean to do it.
I know.
I knocked over the glass.
Were you reaching for something?
Yes, I was reaching for my phone.
That happens sometimes.
Now the table is a mess.
We can clean it up.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll get some paper towels.
Good idea.
Here they are.
Let's wipe the table.
The juice is everywhere.
We'll clean it quickly.
I hope it didn't damage anything.
I don't think so.
That's a relief.
Is your phone okay?
Let me check.
Sure.
Yes, it's fine.
That's good.
The table looks much better now.
Yes, almost clean.
I should be more careful.
Maybe keep drinks away from your phone.
That's smart advice.
It helps avoid accidents.
Thanks for helping me clean up.
No problem.
Everything looks normal again.
Yes, the mess is gone.
I'm glad.
Me too.
Let's sit down and relax.
Sounds good.
I'll get another glass of juice.
Just be careful this time.
I definitely will.
Great.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
This is my first time here.
We're happy to have you.
The restaurant looks nice.
Thank you.
Can I see the menu?
Of course.
There are many choices.
Yes, we have many popular dishes.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good.
Many customers enjoy it.
Is it spicy?
No, not very spicy.
Great.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I'll have orange juice.
Good choice.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
That's fine.
I'll place your order.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The restaurant is very clean.
We try our best.
I like the atmosphere.
I'm glad to hear that.
Here comes my food.
Enjoy your meal.
It looks delicious.
I hope you like it.
Wow, it's very tasty.
That's wonderful.
I will come here again.
We'd love to see you again.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly.
Here is my payment.
Thank you.
I enjoyed everything.
We're happy to hear that.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.